Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, how to clean up Windows 11 to improve your system's speed and overall performance using a few simple settings. To begin, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left-hand menu, select Gaming and click on Game Bar. Then make sure the game bar is turned off. Go back and open Game Mode. If you use your PC mainly for gaming, you can turn this on. Otherwise, it's best to leave it off. Next, click on System, then Storage, turn on Storage Sense, and open Cleanup Recommendations. Select the suggested files you'd like to remove and click Clean Up, making sure to uncheck the Downloads folder if you want to keep your files. After that, go to Apps and open Startup to disable unnecessary programs that slow down your computer during boot. Still under Apps, open Installed Apps, sort them by size, and uninstall programs you no longer need, being careful not to remove important Microsoft components. Then, open the Start menu, search for Disk Cleanup, select all available options, and click Clean Up System Files. Finally, search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Choose Custom, enable options like showing thumbnails instead of icons and smoothing the edges of screen fonts, then click Apply and OK. Restart your computer to complete the process. And that's it. These steps will help keep your Windows 11 system running faster and smoother. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more helpful tips.